Come with me to explore the fascinating world of tree trimming. Look at how this crane is lifting a log. There are various machines used in tree trimming. Here's a close-up of one. Here we have one of our grapple trucks, making sure we don't damage the stuff underneath. Cutting down dead trees is the best option due to the storms. Chainsaws and trucks with cranes are commonly used for this purpose. The forest is becoming more accessible with each cut, and it's a dangerous job, but it's necessary. Tree removing is a daily task. Thanks for tuning in.